Here at MakerspaceCT, our mission is to positively impact lives by enabling access, education, and innovation. Community is a very critical piece of life here at MakerspaceCT.
When I came to Makerspace, the staff was very aware of their place in the neighborhood and how that functions, and we're very forthcoming about that and very welcoming.
We are also highlighting career pathways, what type of jobs, careers, and lifestyles they can expect.
It's given me more sight on the type of jobs that are available, because I never even considered manufacturing to be a potential occupation for me.
This fall, I'll be going to college as a civil engineering major, and being a part of this program and having this experience has reaffirmed the fact that this is something I like to do as a career.
I feel like a lot of things that felt unattainable, I feel like are more accessible now.
It's just something that you could learn. It's something that you could achieve in and succeed in.
I want to become an engineer in the future, and I think this helped me a lot.
And that definitely helped me kind of see more options within manufacturing. That was going to help with a lot of different industries that I might not have seen myself able to go into with work for this program.
Together, we are building the foundation for a stronger and more vibrant community here in Hartford.